Alrighty, here we go. It's week 5. I think we're doomed for e-learning the rest of the year. This lighting makes me look more tired than I am. I'm always tired. If you scroll all the way down, down, down. Oh my gosh, somebody has already responded to my post. What are you guys doing? It's 10:30 at night. Okay. Anyway, week 5, down here. Here we go, our final weeks of e-learning. I am really sad that we're not going back to school. This is not how I wanted to have to say goodbye to you guys, but unfortunately, some of you already know I'm not returning to WEM next year for teaching. I accepted another teaching position back in February. Ooh, my cats are grumpy. I gave one of them a bath. So. But, you know, you guys are going to high school anyway, so you won't see me much. But thank you for letting me be your teacher. And thank you for being my students for the last 3 years. You guys were there my first year teaching when you were in 6th grade. Some of you, most of you, if you were in the school in 6th grade. And I saw some of you last year in my study hall. I don't like study hall. And this year was a little bit of a challenge, but I feel like we were working through it. We were going to have a great time these last few months. I was ready for it. Now I'm really sad that I have to say goodbye through a camera. So, yeah. But, again, I'm really thankful that you guys are my students, and I will always cherish the memories at WEM with you. And you guys were really great. Even if you hated my class, thank you for letting me be your teacher. I hope it wasn't too painful for you. But this week, we should be finishing up watching the Vaccine Wars. And please, just actually watch it. A lot of you are Googling certain answers that I know you're Googling because certain actors and actresses weren't mentioned in the Vaccine Wars, and everyone keeps getting the same answer. And when I Google the question, that happens to be the #1 answer for when you Google it. Don't Google it, just watch the video. It's a good video. It can be a little boring at parts, but it picks up. So just pretend you're bored in class and kind of zone out, but fill out the packets from the video. Don't use Google. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And then take the quiz. You can take it as many times as you want until you get 100%, and I'll go back and show you where the quiz is again on the materials page. Tuesday is not a health day, but again, work on health. If you don't have time tomorrow on Monday, then go ahead, work on it Tuesday. I don't care. Wednesday, you need to for sure take the Vaccine Wars quiz if you haven't already. I believe it's open for a week after that. I'll probably just extend it until the end of the school year to give you guys time, because we only have a couple weeks left, so as long as I get grades for everybody, we should be good. And Thursday and Friday would not have been health days, but again, if you want to work on health, you can. You know, ask questions if you have them or any concerns. I'm here to make this as easy as possible for you guys. I know that e-learning is not everybody's cup of tea. It's definitely a learning curve. So, you should be finishing up your communicable disease quiz. Looks like it's due by next Wednesday, the 29th, by 11:59 p.m. So a lot of you have already taken it. I have to grade it before you get your final score, but a lot of you have been doing a good job. It's 5 really simple questions. Should be easy. Here's the Vaccine Wars worksheet quiz that you should take when you finish watching the Vaccine Wars and filling out the worksheet. Use the worksheet for that. I have this post that I haven't even assigned to you yet. Someone responded. I'm going to see who that is later. Good for you. But we have the post that I'll talk more about next week too, and I want you to answer these 3 questions based on your knowledge from the Vaccine Wars and what's happening right now with COVID-19. And then you are going to have your initial post due by Wednesday the 6th. If you want to go ahead and do it now like someone already did, awesome for you, person, then go for it. And then you're going to respond to 2 of your classmates by Friday the 8th of May. And when I say respond, I mean like a good response, not, yeah, me too, bro, or yeah, I agree, good post, or whatever you guys, chicken nuggets, I don't know, whatever you guys say. You guys have weird things going on. But, you know, say, I agree because, or I feel the same because, or I wrote the same thing about COVID-19 because in the vaccine wars, like, genuinely good posting, please, and thank you. So, again, I'm not going to have you even start thinking or looking at that till next week, but if you want to get a head start, you get a head start. You still want to do this BMI extra credit? Do the BMI extra credit. Some of you are emailing me, how can I get my grade up? There's extra credit. You can take these quizzes as many times as you want to before they expire. It doesn't even look like this one expires anytime soon. I think it's still open for at least a week. So, you know, have at it. Again, let me know if you have any questions. The last week of school, I'll probably just be posting a survey, kind of like how the year went, what did you enjoy most in health class, what did you enjoy least. It was my cat, I got a lot of those. Just things that I can take to heart and know what I can do better in the future. I will still be teaching 8th grade at my new school and also 10th grade, so I'm excited to do some high school things, but I definitely take to heart when kids say I want more like hands-on learning, or I liked how you gave us skeleton notes, or I actually, maybe you liked doing online learning and you like taking the quizzes online. I mean, give me feedback. I need feedback, so I appreciate it. Usually we can do it anonymously, but unfortunately through Schoology I'm going to know it's you just because I can't do paper copies. So, you know, be as nice as possible. My cats are going crazy. Good night!